Hey, what's up guys, this is Q here, back again with another video. So today I wanted to try something different. I wanted to try to make like a new series called What Did They Say? So basically, what I've been doing with my videos on my channel so far, I've been making like a bunch of Korean sentence videos where I would just make like a bunch of sentences and then translate it into English and then read it out for you guys like slowly once and then normal speed once. But today I wanted to try something different where we go on Twitter and look up some Korean celebrities and see what they said on their tweets. I want to like analyze what they're saying in their sentences because I've been getting a lot of private messages where like my subscribers would ask me like, oh, what did this Korean K-pop star say? Like, oh, what did he say? I really want to know. So I feel like that's like a pretty popular topic. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna go into the deep end today and really use the skills that we learned to try and understand what these K-pop stars says. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so let's take a look at what RM from, I don't know if you guys heard of this group, they're called 방탄소년단. Yeah, they're just like a small group in Korea right now. Not really that well known. Anyways, this guy, he said, 슬픈 꿈이 끝나면. Okay, once again, slowly. 슬픈 꿈이 끝나면. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff going on in this sentence right now. Okay, the first word we have 슬픈. This means sad. 꿈, this means dream. Okay, and then this E right here, this is the 이가 particle. I didn't really talk a lot about particles. I didn't talk about them at all in my videos, but then I'll probably make another video on particles. Anyways, that's a particle. And 끝나, this means end or like finish, right? And then 면, this means if. Okay? So altogether, it means if sad dreams end. And yeah, I have no idea what the context of this is. I see like a flower in like a refrigerator or something like that. Please let me know if you guys know what this means in the comments below. But anyways, okay, so the first thing to note here is this word 슬픈. The spoken version of this word is actually 슬퍼, but then it changes to 슬픈. If you don't understand why that change happens, please look at my other video where I explain how adjectives work in Korean. I explain everything there. So anyway, 슬퍼. Oh yeah, I'll put the link in the description below. So yeah, anyways, 슬퍼 becomes 슬픈, and then 꿈 is like dream. And then this particle right here, this is probably like big enough for a separate video, but basically it marks whatever it's talking about. Like for example, like this is like sad dream ends. Like what ends? Oh, the sad dream ends. So this E here is just to indicate that that's the thing that ends. Okay, so I'll show you some more examples here. So here we have the particles E and Ka. Actually, E and Ka are the exact same thing, but it's just like a pronunciation kind of thing. Like you know how in English we have and an, depending on if the word is like a vowel or like a consonant. In Korean, like the exact same thing. See how 핸드폰 and the word 한국 사람, they both end in consonants. Maybe I'll make another video on what consonants and vowels are, but basically if the last word before the E or the Ka, if the last word has 3 characters in it, so we have one character right here, the P, we have another character O, so that's Po, and then the final character N. So we have 3 characters in total, right? So if you have 3 characters, it's E, like this one right here, 1, 2, 3, E, and if it has 2 characters, then it's Ka. 2 characters, the J and the E, so it's Ka. So yeah, basically that's it. Alright, so let's take a look at the first sentence. 핸드폰이 비싸. 핸드폰이 비싸. So 핸드폰, funnily enough, it means hand phone, which means cell phone in English. Yeah, I think that's a pretty creative way to call a cell phone. Actually, I don't know why it's called a cell phone in English. I think hand phone makes a lot more sense, right? Because it's like in your hand. Anyways, so cell phone is expensive. So what this particle E does is it's like saying, it's like to indicate what is expensive, right? It's just like Handphone expensive. Wait, what's expensive? Oh, the hand phone is expensive. Yeah, it's difficult to explain the particles in English because we don't really have this in English. But in Korean, they just want to be more specific, like what it is that is expensive. Like 핸드폰이 비싸. Like expensive. Like what's expensive? Oh, the hand phone is expensive. Okay, and same with this one. 한국 사람이 많아. So 한국 사람, it's Korean people. This is literally like Korea, and this is people. So Korean people, many. This is like, it means like many Korean people are here. There's like a lot of Koreans. Like, wait, what's there a lot of? Oh, Korean people. There's a lot of Korean people. Okay, this one too. 학교가 멀어. So 학교, it means school, and 멀어 means far away. So what's far away? Oh, the 학교 is far away. Like they always want you to like make sure the school is the one that's far away. Okay, and lastly we have 오렌지가 맛있어. 오렌지가 맛있어. So you probably guessed that 오렌지, it sounds like orange in English. So yeah, it's talking about the fruit orange, and 맛있어 is like tastes good, it's delicious. So wait, what is delicious? You always have to like ask yourself like, what is delicious? Oh, the orange is delicious. So like the 이 and ka, it marks like the topic of the sentence. It marks like what it is the adjective is describing. I'll probably make a separate video on this because this is like a big topic, but basically that's kind of what the 이 ka does. Okay, so the final thing we have in this sentence is this 면 thing right here. So 면 means if in English. I also made another video of how to say if in Korean, so please check that out. I have another link in the description below. So yeah, anyways, he didn't actually finish the sentence in this one. So he says just like, if sad dreams end, ... So he didn't actually finish. But this is what it would look like if you actually finish the sentence. Maybe if you say like 끝나면 전화해요. So imagine if he said like 슬픈 꿈이, sad dreams, 끝나면 전화해요. So 전화해요 means like to call someone. So like the full sentence means if the bad dream ends, if the sad dream ends, please call me. Yeah, please call me. Or you can say like if your school's gonna end or something like that, or like call me after school. It's like 끝나면 전화해요. Like call me after school ends. The 요 is like a formal marker right here. So to make it casual, you can just say 전화해. 전화해. Okay. And this sentence right here. 아프면 말해요. 아프면 말해요. So 아프다, like 아프, it means to hurt. So like if it hurts, 말해요, tell me. Like maybe you're at a doctor or something. Maybe you're at like the dentist, and then they're trying to pull out a teeth. It's like, oh, tell me if it hurts. 아프면 말해요. Okay, let's take a look at the next sentence. 이거 먹으면 죽어. 이거 is like this. 먹으면, if you eat. So if you eat this, 죽어, you die. So don't eat it. Okay? If you eat this, you die. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Please let me know in the comments below what you guys thought. Is it too easy or is it too hard? Or if you have any more questions below, please ask in the comments below, or join my Facebook page and ask the questions away. Ask the questions there. I'm gonna post this video up on there too. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next video.